Philippines is a middle-income country. We're in Southeast Asia. We have about 7,100 islands. Economic growth has been observed for the past decade, but the reports also indicate that this growth has not been felt. There is a disparity across regions in terms of performance, and it's also been confirmed by the MDG report. In the Philippines, we have about 34 development partners, and net commitment-wise, it's about $9.6 billion, and our major development partners are JICA, World Bank, ADB, and we have an emerging donor, China. But we have also many technical assistance coming from USAID, GDZ, SIDA, Canadian, Australia, and other countries, bilateral countries. And aid for us, it represents about 25% of our annual budget, so it's significant. It helps in the development efforts, financing various priorities of the government. From the outset, we consider the Paris Declaration as important because it confirmed our efforts along the lines of ownership, harmonization, alignment, mutual accountability, and managing for results. Well, some of those efforts are done by the development partners, but Paris Declaration is all about behavioral change from the partner countries, the Philippines, and its partners, the development partners. So we're trying to improve aid management, aid delivery, basically just to know that eventually along the way some results will show, and that the Paris Declaration help us along the way to realize these results. Some efforts we have still to go a long way to make sure that we're up to standards, international standards, but efforts are underway. Challenges, the report indicates that it has to be deepened, not only in the oversight agencies, but also to the ground personnel in the implementing agencies, and eventually to the beneficiaries of aid.